Meghalaya adokra mukawa na mangsingapa biapoma, jen bangbati mukawa komana, belsi ana jojo. Andi bajegeta mukawa ni komanoba, ya adok ni nuo dentang songrang chiko niknike mana. Absan dake Mawphanlur song jen West Khasi Hills Meghalaya odomachin, wa songo ba chiko niknike mana. Abri rango chirung ba chia okol dongo na kangkang ya song la meda ken chiko niknike mana. Ya ko dakna matgi janiara mukha chiko racha ke jakal na niknikani ma khosak pe gaba bia bongani gaman chi matgi jania selma.
Ni bai kantu sibun kicing ha ka bai dai vat kana ka te nikong ni ya kantu kicing ha ki yang kisam ki jongi nang ta haki skor te tang yo iba ki kena skor ke bamot ni lekai kum to haki skor iba ki kena skor mot ki don ki itaj ba ai tengah keli ong boleh itaj kum ne ki ong itaj ra namar ba menam step haying rungi lara nang ta menta ngil ondang ilawan haskoro ni habra namar haskor ni syadjang ya kumto tin de namar kata kadau ni kasnong ni sngoto bangi don hapdeng jong kajing don hapdeng jong kajing
belsi gemako ya niknikani ko namatna sandiyo ya song ni manderang na mungsana mini ko ongapara Meghalaya Basin Development Authority baksa nangrume Nagaland Empowerment of People through Energy Development RGIZ ya hydraulic ramp pump ko thariye onaha
kajing mentoy kabangiyo habaya dei bakane ka rampom kabaningkong kadei bechpang kumno bangin yo bandi namar kabajenjar palat kadei bet kumno bangin yo bandi ki ta hadin pade kajenjar bansum bansaj kamtam bat ki pan khana namar ki pan khana ladang im don ki kamut kalong kabajak klia ya ka shnong ru te kamut kadei nauta kadau bangi sakwa ban yo ya ka kabaningkong kadei ba kajing yarap ka David baningkong kaya David na po kasnong hi kabaningkong ka yalam ban penyo ya ketika dia hadin kata pade kani khabaya David kani ka basin kawan dia andin baka basin kalawan hang ni kapan itu kenyangi ya kumki krasnong nang ta hadin berkeliawan kiwan ban sarwe hae jaka ban kanlong ban le ya kata ka kum ban yo dia hadin kata pade ki le kumno ki wan ken ki ong bahap ai da ka rampom kanang ba pensup ki kasnong
hydraulic ramp ba hydram bulbule salgapa chi pump onga jan chini belchi bijoli aro chi saldona mana yani kham khaaniara chi jokani bel ba pressure ko matne chi jokang na gata khosak chi aro khama chi phag ki ignis khoda ke tharikapa pump onga ya hydraulic ramp ko jakhalna gata matna jon chi jokani bel ba low head hydropower donga aro wa chi ko khosak chi phag joktona gata thariya ha anjakpa biap aro somayo ya pump namen jakal thobeya mena ya ko chalaina gata gapan bostu ko nangja and the kinetic energy na agree.
Okay, the ramp pump is a very simple machine. It just uses the power of water, because water when it flows downhill, it's got its own energy. So what the ramp pump does is it uses that energy and pumps water by itself, by wasting a little water but pumping some of it up to a higher elevation where it can be used for anything. So I would say the main difference about the ramp pump is it doesn't require any external power source or motor or anything.
Traditional hydraulic ram ge igini parts tonga waste valve, backlag valve, aro delivery valve jen belonging dam komia tharina gata chakalna altua aro namen ruute donga indiba yara mechanical ongja indiba elastomeric ingapa bosrang onga jen main valve and non-return valve ani munga ya komi gapa ruute chakalna matgapa aro tharina negle kija gapa bostu onga Una agreba yabos to drive pipe kata chi jok kepa ko elevated source oni delivery pipe ona chi salduwani ko dakna mana. Hajargani chibungauni hajargani chitok balsio songni mandirang ko Nagaland chi training na watataha ramp pump ko may take thekna nga uko skiye rana gata.
Malay training Shakisha po jongka Kohima po Kohima jongka niga nepet. Dia hadin bakila ai training kumtu kila ai baki theory baki practical kumtu kumut enang nila one page niru kalong hikaju.
Chugamil project na funding on Gaparangara, MGNREGS, Sosni Bunga person, aro IBDLP, Korbu Bunga person on Nachan. Undake GIZ ramp pump installation ni chorus ko Gangnar Askaha.
Nangaliang Jonga District Administration, especially DC, reporting by Escarlindo. Nilai pet ikilat kilanti kumno banaga dekat scheme bagi angka MGNREGS kilaban contribute hakaban penom kam ya dekat jikmu. Te habai de bagi project kidan kembal lai hado South Liki laban ong ki department ki bedan benta kawai kedega Meghalaya Basin Development Authority kabar kedega GIZ kabalai kedega CNRD lengba kedega scheme NREGS bat gabasau kedega nepet banapo Nagaland kaba dekat technical knowledge partners kaba yarap ban fabricate ikene kapam mat menta ka singing smau buram babaro ngedan lang hangni batala ban inaugurate ikene ka project
Chisni June Hajargani Chisniyo BDU Catchment Area Management aro Climate Change Awareness Workshop ko ngataha aro Institute of Natural Resources Paksa Resource Person baskiye masiye ungapa mandeyara nipet timoni ungachim. Ya workshop na bakrane ribagapa Mawphanlur songni aro absan chisam ko jakalinggapa manderang ungachim. Una agreba sepang jolo songdongingapa gen ramp pump technology ni gemen masina sekapa manderang ba bakrapaha. Ya ramp pump ko Hajargani Chisni Bilsini December ja Chet Tariko West Khasi Hills District ni Deputy Commissioner Baksa Meghalaya Basin Development Authority NIPED GIZ aro songni manderang nangrim me yano parake aro uprake onaha.
This convergence, is not at just local level, not by the departments alone. This is national level and even international level, headed by, led by GIC itself. We have team from NEPED, we have village communities, we have SCSTE, which did water filter. Previously, the water was not potable, although ramp pump. The hydraulic ramp pump worked beautifully. The water that we drew from pond was not potable, so we had to seek a suggestion of we sent comments from PHE that didn't work out. Then we had to approach the SCST, which was kind enough to install one water filter, because of which now we have a drinkable, potable water coming right from the source and supplying to various households in this village. I would hope that this is just the beginning, Mawphanlur, and we have many other villages to come in the months and years to come. I already have a list of villages which are going to take up ramp pump, hydraulic ramp pump through convergence this year under Mawphanlur blockade.
Mawphanlur ni manderang China na men neknik pe changi tangaha ndibada aude ya ramp pump ko thari aro install kai onani chi. Ya plug nikna kani rangoni chelchak na mangano enne chanchi soinga. Bebe niya ramp pump chusoke machona manjoba. Songni manderang yani namgani ko nike makangchi jangi tanganiyo chakal tobe gapa aro salantini nanganiyo chusok at gapa ungen enne nagsam soinga.